Adorable beach house, only 4 blocks from right here on the west end of Panama City Beach. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. This west end home is perfect for rentals, and it's as cute on the outside as it is on the inside. With plenty of seating. Ample space in the kitchen. This main ensuite has plenty of space, and I love the access to the backyard. It's even got a new outdoor shower. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you to get the price and all the other details. All right, bye for now.